Hello? Too many emails, huh? Students can't find what they're looking for? Yeah, I might have something for you.
Welcome to the Smash and Grab, short videos to help you improve your tech integration one quick heist at a time.
The mark is Canvas. Having an LMS is a plus for accessibility and equity, giving students access to content when they need it. The plan is to use modules. This is what it looks like when you don't use modules appropriately. You dump everything into one big module, it becomes a junk drawer. Students are searching around trying to find what they're looking for. It's very frustrating. Instead, I'm going to give you two strategies. Strategy number 1, group by date. Each week in the course becomes a module. Students can locate their information in the appropriate week. I would not recommend this for classes that go longer than a semester. It becomes too difficult to maintain. Strategy 2, group by topic. In this case, what do I want them to learn? How will they know when they get it? How will I teach it? And course feedback. If you're teaching biology, maybe you group by cell structure and function, genetics and heredity, and ecology and ecosystems. This makes it easy to locate information by topic. Go for webs? Oh, hey, professor. You tried group by topic and group by date. They both worked really well? That's great. Wait for your emails, huh? Yeah? Yeah, if you have any friends you want to send our way, theintelligenthoodlums.com is where you can find us. All right, until next time, Professor.